Hello, my name is Anna Arthur, and today I'm going to be showing one of the tasks that I use to compare the usability between the New Jersey government website and the Idaho Parks and Recreation website. The task I'm deciding to test is the usability of finding events. So on the Idaho website, this is the home page, and then the very last link is calendar of events. And the second you click that, it links you to a year-long calendar of all the events that it has. And then compared to the New Jersey webpage, you have to go to the Things to Do in New Jersey link and then either search through all of these looking for something specific, or you can go to key links, and this can link you to seasonal fun, which is the closest thing they have to specific things, specific events. Or they have this purchase tickets slide as well. But there's these two options for finding something to do that is an official event. Both of these approaches are very similar. They both use links directly from the home page, and then it really just takes some skimming after that. But I do recommend, and I think the Idaho page is better because they compartmentalize like different activities from the calendar of events. So there are pay for events like that, and then separate from activities like biking or climbing or camping or anything like that. So if you were to use one, I'd recommend the Idaho page. Yeah, so thank you so much for listening and have a great day.